If you're looking to change your password on Snapchat, this video is for you. In under a minute, I'll show you how to change your password so you can keep your account secure. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to change your Snapchat password in just a few simple steps. First of all, let's open up the Snapchat application and then tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on the profile page, tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to go to the settings. And then simply tap on the password option. So, in order to change your password, you need to type in your current password first. If you don't remember your current password, simply tap on the Forgot Your Password option over here. Once you type in your current password, tap on Continue. And now go ahead and type in your new password. Make sure to use a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, confirm your new password. Once you do that, tap on Save to change your Snapchat password. And now you have successfully changed your Snapchat password. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.